What's up, what's up, what's up? This is your boy Trey. I'm back with another video. I remember, I don't know if y'all remember, if you subscribe, you know. Well, I had another video where I changed out the cleaning module to my iRobot, and next thing you know, it was working great for a while, and then the suction stopped working. So once the suction stopped working, I could no longer use it. So I had to buy a new robot. If you want to see the video of me changing the module, it should be right there. So with that being said, I had to buy a new one. So here's the new video to me unboxing the new one. I bought a cheaper one because someone said I should just try it just to see what happens. So far, it's been doing pretty good. Can't complain. But no more to say. Wait. Like and subscribe. Just hit that like button. Just hit it. Matter of fact, hit the subscribe button too. I barely drop videos. You won't even get bothered that much. All right, let's go. All right, let's see what we got. What we got here? We got the iRobot, the Roomba 694. All right, this was like a cheaper version. I can't remember the price, but I remember it was super cheap. All right. Oh, look at the packaging. I always like it. Oh, blue filter. I swear it never comes out blue. At least not in the other ones that I had. All right, got the instructions. Let's see what we got. What we got in here. Okay, here go to docking station if I can get it out. And then you have your robot. Alright, let's get rid of this. We don't need this no more. Kick! Alright, this is hard opening it up with one hand. At least let me line up the stuff together. It's the least I could do, right? I swear that's a different kind of filter. I'm always skeptical when it comes to buying ones like this one instead of the most expensive one, because I like the ones that with the empty bin, or the one that empty the bins itself. Those are always kind of cool to me. Plus, I'm a little lazy when it comes to dumping them out. Ooh, okay. Look all shiny. I always like when they're new. Let's turn this over. Alright, so you gotta pull the tab out. Let's see what else we got around here. Same way. I'm having a hard time pulling this thing out. I need to get a cameraman. There we go. It was a little tight in there. Alright, let's see what we got. What we got here. The brushes look different than the other brushes that I had. Flip it on over. See, pull the bin out. Oh, they give you another filter. You got your blue filter. So when you're done with the other one, I always like the replacements. Let's see if we can get these rollers out. I have to put the phone down. Maybe I could do. Nah, I got this. I could do this. All right. So took out one. Yeah, these brushes look way different. I wonder if it's just the new product or if it's just each one is different from what type of floor you have. I always have a hard time getting these back in. Let me know in the comments if y'all have a hard time getting them back in too. I know they're like positioned by shape, but sometimes they just don't fit in right. All right, got it back in. All right, let's put the bin back on. I like how easy it is to take off though. Makes it a lot easier. All right, I flipped it over. I think the only thing to do is put it on the charger.
I wonder if it's dead. Yep, look at the red battery. Always dead. Guess I gotta let it charge. And then we have the final product. Thank y'all for watching. Until next time, see y'all later.